If we enter the mill, we can see there is a lady sitting at the mill and milling corn. There is an upper millstone which is being moved and connected with a steel rod, which we will see at the bottom is connected to the steel turbine. We can see from the top there, the water is coming in from a pipe, straight thrown onto the turbine, which is underneath. You see the metal pole to which the upper millstone is connected to mill the grain. This wooden pole here again is to adjust the height of the upper millstone. Lowering means higher pressure on the lower fixed millstone to make the grain finer. And to lift it up makes to make a bigger gap between the lower millstone and the one who turns on the top and gives more coarse grain.
एक दिनमा कति कट्टा पिस्छ
दुई पुन्न पातिया पिन्नु होला
भने लगभग चाहिँ 2 कि 4 वटा
2 कि 3 कि 2 रात 2 दिवस 4 पिन्नु होला
रात हुन्छ है अनि
लाग्दो छ
पहिलाको घट्टा भन्दा यो घट्टा छिटो लाग्छ कि पहिलाको
भन्दा अझ छिटो छ
अहिलेको छिटो छ
त
पहिलाको फेदरको के को थियो
पहिलाको त्यो काठा थियो अहिले अब मिसिनको छ
ए फलमको छ त्यसपछि काठको फेदरको हुँदाखेरि कतिवटा थैला पिस्यो दिनमा
काठा दिसभरि गरी रातभरि गरी 3 गेट पनि पर्दै होला
3 वटा
पनि ठिकै होला
दुईटा
अहिले यो गर्दाखेरि 4 दिनु होला पानी आएर घट्टा ताप मिल्यो भने चाहिँ घट्टा अनौठै भएको
है
अनौठै भएको पानी आएर घट्टा लागेन भने चाहिँ त 2 गट्टा त त्यो गर्नु हुनु 2 गट्टा 3 गट्टा अझ त 4 गट्टा अझ फाल्नु मैले अति पिनी लग्यो अझ घर ताते आइकन पनि पिनी लगेन अनि लेकिन अत्र यो ठक्करै दावे त यो गट्टा अघि बढ्ने हो त्यही छाडी अनि त्यही हाम पनि त अलिअलि घट्टा गर्न पाप नाइ.
We see here the improved watermill house. In the previous videos we have seen how the stones are milling the products. And now we want to see what is actually the major improved part of it. This is the steel turbine. Instead of a wooden turbine, we have a steel turbine underneath here, which we can see here more and more. This water mill out of steel mills 3 times faster than the traditional old wooden mill, and especially it lasts for 20 years. Maybe we see from up there where the water comes in through a high density polyethylene pipe straight onto the turbine, and we can see how the water turns the turbine, and on the turbine is of course the shaft of the mill, and the upper stone of the mill is connected to that shaft and mills the grain, whatever grain they have. We are meeting here a family who is milling kodo, and one lady is filling the mill while the other lady is putting the milled product together. And so far, according to their testimony, they are very happy how the mill produces their quality.